Welcome to a demonstration of PDM-Program Performance Data Manager from Health Professions Education Solutions. Using tags and field entries, PDM stores and calculates your students' performance within your program. PDM automatically calculates program performance based on the data entered using the fields shown. From the main menu, select the Student Data Form button to open the student data form showing all of the students in all of your programs. You can locate individual students by using the scroll bar on the right to scroll through the student list. You can also use the Next and Previous buttons to migrate through the list. If looking for a specific student, you can click the Find by Last Name button, enter the student's last name, and the student's data will be shown in the bottom half of the screen. At any time you can click on a student's name in the top half of the screen and their complete data will be shown in the bottom half of the screen. To record withdrawals, completion, graduation, and testing and exam information for students within a particular program, click the Program Statistics button on the main menu. The form opens with a complete list of all students enrolled in the program requested. Here you will enter withdrawals, actual completion dates, graduation year, first available exam, when the student took the exam and their results. PDM will automatically calculate completion rate and first exam rates for you. Record withdrawals by clicking the Withdrew checkbox. Also enter the date the student withdrew. Click Save to update the calculations shown at the bottom of the screen. PDM will store the data entered and update as additional data is entered. To record demographics information for the students in an individual program, click the Program Demographics Entry button on the main menu. Enter the program you wish to work with and the Program Demographics screen will open. Using the checkboxes Record Ethnic Composition. Using the drop-down list, select the racial composition of the student. Using the drop-down list, you can also select a language from the list for this student. In the racial composition and language fields, you can also type in the first letter of the racial composition or language and PDM will autofill the field. The average age and gender demographics of your student group is automatically calculated based on the information that was imported when importing a new student group. To review the demographic information of a graduating cohort, click the Graduate Demographics button on the main menu. This form lists all of the students who graduated in the requested year. Here you can review the demographic data for all graduates and make corrections or changes as needed. The fields in the bottom section have automatically calculated the demographic statistics for all students in the requested graduating cohort. To enter graduate employment data, click on the Graduate Employment Entry button on the main menu. Enter the graduating year that you wish to record. Until you begin entering the dates in which a student began employment, the student's name will be highlighted in orange to indicate who has not yet obtained employment. Enter the date the student became employed, place employed, and position. Check the checkboxes indicating single or concurrent aggregated position. Enter the hours per week worked and PDM will automatically select whether part-time or full-time. Check the appropriate checkbox for self-employed or institution. Enter the actual salary received. As you are entering data for each student, PDM will begin calculating the employment statistics data for the graduating cohort. PDM will calculate the number of graduates, total employed, whether single or concurrent aggregated position. The total and percentage of part-time versus full-time employment. The total and percentage of self-employed versus institutional or shared institutional employment. PDM will also calculate the salary and wage information based on the salaries entered. You have now completed all of the data necessary to calculate your program's performance statistics. From entering a new group to graduation, licensure, and employment. Now to generate the reports needed for your programs. To see the reports available in PDM, click the Reports button on the main menu. Using the buttons on the Reports form, you can select reports by program year and individual program. The reports generated are calculated by program, program year, ethnic and racial composition, as well as demographics by individual program or all programs in a calendar year. The program performance statistics reports show you the number who began your program, withdrew, completed, percentage completed at 100 and 150%. The reports also calculate licensure pass rated as well as gainful employment rates. All reports in PDM are generated in PDF format. You can save, email, or print a hard copy as needed. The report features in PDM give you a complete picture of your program and students' performance. From individual program statistics to racial and ethnic composition performance statistics, as well as the demographic makeup of your individual programs and graduating cohorts. PDM is a program performance data management system designed specifically to fit the needs of allied health programs. Easily record and maintain program performance data while calculating the statistics you need for program reports, accreditation, and grant requests. Contact us at info@hpes-llc.com for a quote or to set up an online demonstration for you and your program associates. Visit our website at hpes-llc.com to learn more.